Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just got something in the mail, and it's this bad boy right here. So this is the new JeffreeStar Blood Sugar palette, and I am dying to play with it. But I also kind of wanted to do it on video, so I had to wait until I could to actually open it up and swatch some of the colors. So this is how it looks like. It came in with a little case, and then once you open it up, it looks like that on the inside. So let's go ahead and do some swatches. I'm gonna just do them on my hand because I'm gonna do a look for you guys using other colors. Alright, so let's go ahead and go into the deep colors. The first one that I'm gonna swatch is gonna be Cavity. Alright, and then let's go into Root Canal, which is a nice little purple. So this is Root Canal. Alright, and then let's go ahead and go into Fresh Meat. So I know that JeffreeStar did live swatches on his channel, but I wanted to give you my opinion. They feel very smooth. They are very pigmented, and let's go ahead and do one more. And this is Donor. It's like a nice little gold copper. Nice little copper color. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into doing my makeup. The first color I'm going to use Cake Mix, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M504. There is some fallout. It isn't too bad. And then for my second shade, I'm going to go into Ouch with this Morphe 513 brush. And this I'm gonna go ahead and put right in my crease. And then I'm gonna go into Intro Venus with the Morphe M506 brush, and then I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner. So right here, I'm gonna put it in the outer V right here. Ooh, that's very pigmented. I picked up too much with the brush. So let's go ahead and try to blend it out to fix it. As you can tell, a little went a long way. I picked up a little too much. And then I'm gonna go into Extraction using this Morphe M433. And that I'm just gonna do the same thing, but I'm just gonna blend that out. And then just to lighten it up a little bit, I'm gonna go into Cavity with the M441 brush by Morphe. And yes, my fingers are stained right now. And you wanna just grab the slightest bit, and I'm just gonna go right over it. And then I'm gonna go back into Extraction and just put a little bit more. And then I'm gonna go into Intro Venus again with the M506. Just to deepen it up that. And then I'm gonna have some of the Fresh Meat with the M518 brush. And then I'm just gonna blend that in here. And then I'm gonna go into Intro Venus again. Just deepen that. And then I'm gonna grab Cavity once again, and then I'm just gonna go over it. So I went ahead and did the other eyes so that they can match and that don't look all weird. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease really quick. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the color like 20. So the JeffreeStar palette is kind of heavy to carry, so I just grabbed this one. This is the Carly Bible. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this flat brush, and then I'm gonna go into Glucose. I'm gonna grab some with my finger. I feel like that's gonna be easier. I was having trouble with the brush that I was using. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use my finger and grab candy floss. And then I'm gonna grab this Beauty Creations pencil brush, and then I'm gonna go into root canal. And I'm just gonna put a little bit right on the other corner. Alright, see how that kind of created an ombre? And then I'm gonna grab that M506 brush, and then I'm just gonna go into Uranus again, just to blend it in. Just to deepen it up, sorry. Just the outer corner. Alright, once again, I'm gonna go into Cavity. And then I'm gonna grab some more of that white and just put it in with my finger. And then we're gonna go back into Candy Floss. And then I'm gonna go back into root canal and just blend it out again. And then let's go ahead and do the lower waterline. So I'm gonna go into Cake Mix and Ouch using the Morphe M432 brush, which is that flat brush right there. And then I'm gonna go into Intravenous on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna grab some of Extraction with the M433 brush, and then I'm just gonna blend those out. And for some glam right now, whenever I do a cut crease, I like doing a little bit of glitter to define it. So today I'm gonna be using the Shimmer Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is by Stila, and this is in the color Kitten. And I'm just gonna use a pointing brush, and I'm just gonna follow the cut crease. Alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and let this dry off. So I'm gonna put on mascara and eyelashes. Eyeliner, I'll be right back. Alright, so that took me really long. I was having trouble with the eyeliner. I don't think it came out really good. I was having trouble with one side of the eyeliner. Doesn't that ever happen to you guys too? Well, one eye always comes out really good, and the other one's like the okay sister. Like, she's not ugly, she's just okay. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the Urban Decay all-nighter spray. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be using the JeffreeStar Skin Frost, and this is in the color Uranus. This is my favorite one. I use this all the time. I have more of them. I just prefer this one over most of them. Forgot to highlight my eyebrow bone, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, and then for a lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and use the JeffreeStar Velour Liquid Lip, and this is in the color Daddy. This is right now my favorite lipstick. I feel like it goes with anything, and since I have dramatic eyes right now, I wanted to just go into a more neutral. Okay, and then I feel that's a little too dark, so then I'm going to go put this Bare Minerals gloss. This is in the color Sugar. And I'm just going to put that on top. Alright guys, so I really like the way it turned out. I love the palette was so good. I have the Androgony palette by him and I really like it. So I had already high expectations for this one and I met them. It was so pigmented. It blended out so fast. The colors were so creamy. I did not have trouble with them. They did have a little bit of fallout, but it's not like, it wasn't bad, you know. It was just like any other palette that shows it has pigment. I like that it has different colors. I like that it has like your neutrals. I also like the fact that it has like the pinks, the purples, the reds, you know. This could be for anyone. This could be a palette for people that like really dramatic looks, and this could also be a palette for people that, like me, like more of the neutrals. I feel like this is worth the money. I know it was more expensive than his usual palettes, but it looks so badass. It has a lot more colors. I mean, I feel like it's gonna last me a long time to get through that. I feel like I will get my money's worth. So unfortunately, it was either buying the palette or buying like his lipsticks, because I have a daughter, so I have priorities. I can't always just buy makeup. I have to, you know, kind of think about what I have to buy. So I wanted to definitely buy the palette, but I unfortunately didn't get anything but the palette. I will eventually, but just not right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. It was such a fun video. I love playing with new makeup. I love discovering new things and trying out new looks. I really do approve of that palette. So if you guys have the money to spare, definitely buy it. It's worth the money. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see you guys on my next video.